Hello, namaste, and welcome everyone to Hinduism Explained. I'm your host Kroishma alongside with Ishan and Arya. Today we will be talking about the Hanuman Chalisa with Pandit Joshiji. Pandit Joshiji, we have a few questions for you regarding the Hanuman Chalisa. Our first question will be given by Arya. Arya.
Panditji, what teachings of the Hanuman Chalisa are good for kids during these difficult times?
Namaskar, everybody.
Namaste.
Myself, Pandit Anil Joshi. I am priest in the Hindu Mandir of Lake County, and I belong from the royal family of the priest. I am a Vaishnava priest. I appreciate your question that what kind of teaching we can get and guidance from the Hanuman Chalisa. You see, children have a little bit problems like a confidence. They don't have a confidence sometimes to go ahead. And for that confidence, there is a one very beautiful Pankti in the Hanuman Chalisa. That is Ram Kaj Karve Ko Atur. He Vidyavan Guni Ati Chatur. Ram Kaj Karve Ko Atur. Means Hanumanji is always ahead to do the working and the serving to the Lord Rama. So that gives a inspirations, and that gives an confidence in you that you should be always ready. When you lose the confidence in your life, you should chant this Pankti from the Hanuman Chalisa. Vidyavan Guni Ati Chatur means Hanumanji is very clever. He is very much knowledgeable, and he knows how to make the way out to come out from that problem. And he is always ready to serve to the Lord Rama. So when we are in the field of knowledge, when we are field in the serving our family and our friend circles, so we lose somehow when we see that some people are very educated, they are very smart, they are very much fast in their life. So we think that we are not in equal to them. And we think that we are losing somewhere. So in that way, this Pankti is going to help you. I repeat again, Vidyavan Guni Ati Chatur Ram Kaj Karve Ko Atur. And one more thing, when we are in the school or college life, when we are at home, sometimes we are in the negative energy. We always have a problem that your mind is not settled. You are not, confirm what you want to do. So at that way, to remove the negative energies from your thought, it's a beautiful sentence in the Hanuman Chalisa. That is, Bhut Pishach Nikat Nahi Aave, Mahavir Jab Naam Sunave. In this concern, when Bhut Pishat is written, it is not that regarding the ghost we are thinking. It is regarding all the negative energies we are thinking. So when the negative energies covers you and makes you problem to develop yourself, at that time, this line is going to help all of you.
Thank you. Our next question comes from Ishan.
Namaste, Panditji.
Yes.
Which teachings of the Hanuman Chalisa are most important for adults during these troubled times?
Yeah, in this quarantine, when all people are stuck, and we want to do a lot of things, but we want to help the other peoples also. But only thing is we cannot come out from this problem. So in the last Hanuman Chalisa, it is written, Jai 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 Hanuman Gosahi, Kripa Karau Gurudev ke nahi, Jo Shat Bar Paat Kar Jehi, Chutahi Bandhi Mahasukh Hoi. When we are all stuck, this word is Bandhi in that Hanuman Chalisa. The person who chants 100 times this Hanuman Chalisa, he get relief from the when he is stuck somewhere in the life, because all of we people are stuck at home we are stuck at work also, and we want to do a lot of things, but at this moment we are not free to move, and we are not free to even serve the humanity and the community. At this moment, the reciting of 100 times of Hanuman Chalisa give us a relief, and that Hanumanji always make sure that you will get the relief and you will get the solution for that. And the beautiful thing is, who is giving the witness for all these things? The witness is being given by the Lord Shiva. When you recite Jai 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 Hanuman Gosai, Kripa Karahu Gurudev ke nahi, Jo Shat Bar पाठ कर जेहि छूट ही बंधी महासुख होई, जो ये पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा होए सिद्धि साखी गौरीसा. Means hoye siddhi means he will get the success, and who is giving the witness? Lord Shiva is giving the witness for that. So Lord Shiva is a symbol of trust also, and Lord Shiva himself is giving you the trust. He is giving you the wordings that if you chant 100 times of Hanuman Chalisa, you will get relief and you will get the solutions to come out from all these problems.
Thank you, Panditji.
Thank you. Our last question of today is, what shloka should we repeat from the Hanuman Chalisa? That is the most important.
Yeah. See, we are a social animal, as a social being. We are concerned with each and everybody, and we have a different phase of work. Like at home, we have a different responsibilities. We have a different responsibilities at school and colleges, and different responsibilities towards the friend circles also. So when we see that to come out from all the negative energies and the positive things in our life, and to serve all the peoples. So first of all, we need a good relationship. We need a good friendship. We need a good people surrounding us. And in that way, if you chant the one line in the Hanuman Chalisa, it is in the starting, Mahavir Vikram Bajarangi Kumati Nivar Sumati Ke Sangi. Means he always remove the bad energies from your thoughts, and he makes sure that all the good peoples are connected with you. So when whenever we start our day, we should have once we should have recite the Hanuman Chalisa, and wherever you are going, just remember this sentence: Mahavir Vikram Bajrangi Kumati Nivar Sumati Ke Sangi. Means all that time the Hanumanji will be protecting you and giving you the good people's connection in your life.
Thank you so much, Pandit Joshiji, for your time and your knowledge. Stay tuned for our next episode of Hinduism Explained about Durga Mata on our Mother's Day special. Namaste and have a very good day.